Yo, what's happening, guys? Today I'm gonna show y'all the first frogfish I've been able to catch on the lake all year. These fish were caught like late February. I don't know exactly when. I got a lot of footage saved up, and the videos keep getting progressively better and better. Um, I was able to get a couple good bites. I jumped off a monster on a spinnerbait, and I missed a few clips on a spinnerbait where I landed a few fish on it. They weren't big though, so you're not missing out on much there. But yeah, the trickworm bite is always hot. Like if I did nothing but just throw the frickin' trickworm on the shaky head, I'd do really good. But I just have to catch them on a frog and a spinnerbait. So yeah, stay tuned. It's a pretty good one here. Frogfish, baby. Frogfish. Alright, y'all, it's gonna be one of them days. Already caught one at the ramp, stuck one on a frog already. Got overcast conditions, gonna be about 6-mile-an-hour wind. I should absolutely clobber them today. And they're busting minnows out in the middle of the lake, so they're freaking, they moving. My line wrapped around my rod tip. I had to be careful there. Thought you were bigger. Alright, so far it's a male bass up shallow. Just got hit. That's a big one. I think that's a big one. She's going crazy. Oh no, she's not even that big. She's not that big. That fish was just going nuts when she hit it. Trickworm fish, baby. Well, y'all, they are munching today. I've missed some really big. I've missed a couple big ones on the frog, and I broke off a big one on the shaky head. But they're eating. They are eating. I don't know. Big one, y'all. Big one. That's a 5. That might be 6. Oh yeah, she crushed it. She crushed it. Don't you do it to me. Come here. Gotcha. Okay, I overreacted a little bit. It's all good. That's a 4-pounder. A little 40-ounder. Nice, baby. Alright, baby. Well, that was a dark bass. Got some wind going and I got hit right away. Right when that wind started blowing. Whew. It's like chilly. I feel like it just got colder.
Yeah, there she is. That's a pretty good one. All right, baby. All right. That's a pretty good one. Whew. Water's warm, man. That water is warm. Trick worm fish. That's a good one. Oh, that's a big one. Won't fucking do it. Gosh. All right, y'all. Another one on the trick worm. I really wish it wasn't blowing in my back. Oh, motherfucker. Because I was... God, I hate when the wind's blowing at my back. Y'all, the wind blew me right to that fish, and I didn't get a fucking hook in her. Absolutely clobbered it. That was a good one, too. Shit. Biggin. Oh, she came off. Oh my god, that fucking fish was huge. Oh my fucking god, are you shitting me, dude? God, that was a fucking giant. Y'all, that fish was huge. Oh my god. Oh my god. A spinnerbait fish. That's not a bad one. That's not a bad one there. Jump that one off. Just didn't get a good hook set. Might be a big one. Oh, don't do that. It is a pretty big one. It is a pretty big one. She's fighting. She is fighting. She is fighting. Oh man. Y'all, that's a big fish, y'all. That is a big one. I think it's a 4-pounder. Oh, yeah, she's 4 pounds. She might be even bigger. Need to get her in. I see you. Nice. That's probably a 4-pounder or a really high 3. That's a heavy. Yeah, she's heavy. All right, baby, we're tearing them up today, y'all. fish. Alright, baby. Another spinnerbait fish. We getting them.
Alright, y'all. Well, that wraps that one up. Stay tuned in the next week or two. I'm going to try to get a couple videos uploaded. I've been having a lot of issues with my laptop. So I can only sit and F around with my freaking laptop trying to get it to work for so long. So I'm trying to get these videos up. Just been a freaking pain in the ass effing with this thing. But yeah, I got some really good footage on the frog and the spinnerbait, where I'm catching some big ones and a lot of them. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see y'all next time.